In the previous movie, we showed how you can use a pre-built Dreamweaver template to create new pages and contribute, which is all well and good if your site designer took the time to create templates for you, but what do you do if you don't have any templates but want to build a page with a similar look to your existing pages? Well, fortunately, Contribute lets you make a copy of an existing page on your site and use it to build a new page, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this movie. Now, there are some things to keep in mind about doing this. First of all, you can only copy pages you're viewing in the Contribute browser. You can't copy images from one site to another, meaning I can't copy a page from, say, my band's website and use it here in the tCloud website. And you cannot make a copy of a draft page. So if I have any pages I'm working on here, I can't make copies of them. But most of the time, you shouldn't have to worry about any of these scenarios because it's most likely that you'll want to take a page on your website and make another page based on it for the same exact site. So to do so, first browse to the page you want to copy. So I'm going to go to the About Us page. And I want to create another page that tells a little bit more about the company. In this case, I'll say we want to create a page about our store locations. So to make a copy of this page, I click the New Page button. And under the tCloud website here, I'm going to choose Copy of Current Page. And again, we see a preview over here. And I can enter a page title. I'll just call this Our Locations. And when I click OK, Contribute makes a new page based on the original About Us page. So it looks like I'm working with the About Us page now, but notice that it does say Our Locations here. So I am working with a new draft page here. And again, you can see that in the icon here. So I'll just come in here and change this to Our Locations. And I'll add a new subtitle here. From around the world to a store near you. And then I can come in here and start editing the text and adding information about our different store locations. So this is kind of like working with a template like we did in the previous movie, but there's nothing that I can't edit on this page. So I can get in here and I can select the images in the navigation bar here. I can select the logo. I can select this link over here and change that if I want to. But in this example, I'm not really interested in changing any of these things. In fact, I made a copy of the original page expressly so I wouldn't have to work or add any of these other elements to the page. I just wanted everything to be there so I could just concentrate on the content of the page. And again, when I'm done working on the page, I can click the Publish button up here if I have the privilege, or I can send it for review. And again, it's warning me here that when I add a new page, I need to go through the other pages and make sure to add links to the new page so people browsing my site can find it. But we'll talk about how to create links in the chapter on linking. For now, I just wanted you to see how easy it is to create a new page based on an existing one.